Hello everyone, welcome to the process education. Hope you liked our previous video. If you haven't checked it till yet, you can check in the description. So today we will be covering topic divisibility rules. In this video we will know the divisibility rules by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the last one 12, 15 and 18. So let us start divisibility rule by 2. According to the divisibility rule by 2, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is divisible by 2. That is, if the number is even. Let us take the example of 24. Here, the unit digit is 4. Since 4 divided by 2 leaves remainder 0, therefore 24 is divisible by 2. Similarly, 6 divided by 2 is equal to remainder 0. Therefore, 36, whose unit digit is 6, is divisible by 2. Now let us take the example of 107. Here, when 7 divided by 2 leaves remainder 1, therefore, this is not divisible by 2. So we say that whenever the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then only the number is divisible by 2. So now let us start the divisibility rule of 3. According to this rule, a number is divisible by 3 if its sum of digit is divisible by 3. Let us take the example of 21. Here, sum is equal to 2 plus 1 as there are digits 2 and 1. So that is 3. Since 3 is divisible by 3, therefore 21 is divisible by 3. Now let us take the example of 95. Here the sum is 9 plus 5, that is 14. Since 14 is not divisible by 3, 14 is equal to 1 plus 4, that will be 5. Now 5 is also not divisible by 3, therefore 95, that is the original number, is not divisible by 3. Now let us take the example of 33. Here the sum is equal to 3 plus 3, that is 6, which is also divisible by 3. Therefore 33 is divisible by 3. So now let us check the divisibility rule of 4. As the rule says, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits, the example be 325. Here the number formed by last two digits is 25. Since we know that when we divide 25 by 4, the remainder is 1. Therefore, 325 is not divisible by 4. Now let us take the example of 1044. Here the number formed by last two digits is 44. Since we know that 44 when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 0, therefore 1044 is divisible by 4. Now let us take the example of one two-digit number, that is 96. In this number there are only two digits. So in this number also we will take the last two digits, that is the number itself. Now since we know that when 96 is divided by 4, it also leaves the remainder 0, therefore 96 is also divisible by 4. So whenever the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number itself is divisible by 4. So now let us see the divisibility rule of 5. As the rule says, a number is divisible by 5 if its units place is 0 or 5. Let us take the example of 10. Here the unit digit is, that is, it is divisible by 5. Now in the number 128 the unit digit is 8. That is neither 0 nor 5. So it is not divisible by 5. In the number 1025 the unit digit is 5. That is equal to 5. So the number 1025 is divisible by 5. So whenever the unit digit is 0 or 5, then number is divisible by 5. So now let us see the divisibility rule of 6. As a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 3 and 2 both simultaneously. The rule comes from this value. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Since the prime factors of 6 is 2 and 3, therefore the divisibility rule of 6 comes out to be the divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. So let us take the example of 39. Since 39, the sum of digits is 3 plus 9, that is 12, that is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. But since the last digit is 9, that is not equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Therefore, it is not divisible by 2. So the number 39 is not divisible by 6. Now let us take the example of 48. Here the sum of digit 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So it is divisible by 3. And since the unit digit is 8, it is also divisible by 2. So the number 48 is divisible by 6. Now let us take the example of 1038. Here the sum of digit is 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8, that is 12. Therefore it is divisible by 3. And the unit digit is 8. So it is divisible by 2. So the number 1038 is divisible by 6. If you have any doubt in any topic being taught in the video, you can comment it. If you like the video, subscribe it, share it and like it to support us. Thank you.